How to make and create track my tasks on Microsoft Excel app. So all what you have to do, guys, is go to Microsoft Excel. Now this is the home page, as you can see right here. Go to the top corner, click on this plus icon. After you click on it, it will take you to this page. All what you have to do is just go down until you find track my tasks. Click on it, and here you go. Now right here you can change and edit the list easily. And after you finish, go to the top corner, click here on those three dots in the top corner and click save. Very easy and fast. So don't forget to like and subscribe if this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end.